What's up, guys? We're going to do a quick little tutorial on how to add certain cryptocurrencies networks into your Metamask. As you can see right here, you have different networks that you have to have on your Metamask in order to do exchanges and stuff, depending on what you're trying to do. Just in case if you wanted to buy an NFT and NFT accepts Cardano, you're going to make sure that you have this on your Metamask first before you even go pick up any Cardano to begin with. Back onto the screen. Easiest way that I do it, if you're going to add a crypto on MetaMask only, is I go to Coin Market. I find the one that I need. Here it is right here. It adds it on. Oh, I believe you already got it on here for this one. Yeah, we do. So let me do a quick little recap real quick. Let me find another one maybe that can work for us. If she works. Yep. All right, here we go. We got Sheeb. We're going to go try to add this on MetaMask. As you can see, this is the contracts right here. Boom, boom. Add Sheeb. There's the token. And now it's on there. Pretty easy, guys. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's going to be over here. Sorry. There it is right there. All right, guys. Yeah, have a good one. Later.